Come over here, Mom.
Come over here so Grandma can see.
Can I see you taste the lemon? Come sit.
I'll sit.
This is almost mean. It's very sour. Oh!
You don't like lemon?
Is it yucky? Oh. Do you need a drink? Okay, he goes water.
No like lemon?
Say no, thank you. Can you say no, thank you?
Mommy like lemon?
Oh God, that one's so sour. That's yucky, I think.
No.
Say, Grammy Lolo, do you like lemon? Say, Grammy Lolo. Say, avocado, please.
Sour. Lemon sour. Lemon is
You want to taste it
sour.
again?
Want to taste again? No,
No.
thank you.
No, thank you.
Sour. Woo! Sour. Lemon sour. Lemons,
You want Mommy to taste it?
lemons are sour.
Okay, I'll taste it.
Make your sour face, Mommy.
Ooh! Oh, it's so sour.
Lemons are sour.
Say Mommy, mommies. You want to hold it?
Oh, he's
Sour.
A trooper. He's a trooper. It's sour. Woo.
That is silly. Oh!
Sour. Look.
Say, all done. Look at
Would you like a sip of water? Oh, Jagger, you're so funny.
Oh.
That face is so funny.
Are you being a comedian?
Look, lemons are sour.
Jagger, do you know what color the lemon is?
What color is
What
this?
color is that lemon? Yeah.
It's yellow.
Lemons are yellow.
Uh-oh, the iced tea's done. That's the iced tea.
Can you say bye-bye?
I know.